Good morning, friend. Once again, we are going to see the essay What is Swaraj, written by M.K. Gandhi. We know M.K. Gandhi as a leader of India. He has given too many things to common people in India. Most of the people who are successful still took his name, and also they told about his own autobiography, The Experiment of My Truth, my experiment with truth. So M.K. Gandhi is a great philosopher, is a great leader, he's a superman, we can say. He is a good human being who lead India in a proper way before India's independence. So in Indian independence movement, he is the leader, and as a leader he guides so many people, we can say masses in India. He guides society in India, he guides community in India. But after 1914s, there are so many social problems in India. After 1945, after the both World War, that British become powerless, and now they are going to finish their rule from the India. And at that time this discussion was going on. Means we can say this extract is from that period. All the followers of Gandhiji, we are asking so many questions to Gandhiji, and Gandhiji also, we are replying to them by asking some questions. The whole extract, we can say, this lesson is about the Swaraj. What is the meaning of Swaraj? What that word mean? And we know in this essay it is said that the word Swaraj has a different meaning from person to person. It does not have a fixed meaning according to the writer. That's why we have seen at the very beginning, reader, there is a discussion between reader and editor, because this essay is in the form of dialogue, and when there is a dialogue, then there are more than two persons. They talk, speak to each other. So this is the essay is in the form of dialogue. So whose dialogue it is? So it is the dialogue between Gandhiji and his follower. So who are the follower? Gandhiji's follower? We can say all the common people in India are the followers of Gandhiji. But in this essay, these followers are represented by the reader. Reader, the word here, reader and editor. So reader means Gandhiji's followers, and editor means Gandhiji himself, because whatever Gandhiji has presented in this essay, actually this essay, this book, the Home Rule, is written by M.K. Gandhi, and in that book he has presented his ideas. We can say his day-to-day experiences of those days. And so he, as a leader, he was guiding to the common people, and so many common people, we can say his followers, are coming there and they are asking so many questions to the Gandhiji, because in those days there is a riot. There we can say there was a riot. There was not a communal harmony. There are so many classes from two religions. We know that the partition of India, so that people, followers are asking, what is Swaraj? It is Swaraj. Why happened it? It's not good according to them. It is not good to drive away the Britishers, because what happened? If once they left the India, what will happen? If once they left the India, now they are here, they are ruler, still there are so many quarrels, there are so many classes in two religion, two community. So what will happen after they left the India? So in that way they are asking. And Gandhiji is also trying to tell them, trying to explain them by asking so many questions. And that's why he asked the people, what he asked? What do you mean Swaraj? Why do you want to drive all the Britishers? Why? So they replied that because they have exploited us, isn't it? They have exploited us. They take away our money from year to year. The most important posts are reserved for Britishers. We are kept, means Indian are kept in a state of slavery. Slavery means gulamgiri. They behave insolently towards us, means they, काय म्हणू आपण त्याला, की ते आपल्याला चांगली वागणूक देत नाहीत. They behave insolently towards us and disregard our feelings. आमच्या भावनाही जाणून घेत नाहीत. So many things are there in the mind of common people, and they are saying to the Gandhiji, and that's why these common people wants these Britishers drive away from the India. See the next question asked by M.K. Gandhi. See, if they do not take our money away, they become gentle and give us responsible post, would you still consider their presence to be harmful? What they are asking, त्यांनी जर आपले पैसे नेले नाही, आपल्यासोबत ते चांगले वागले, आपल्याला त्यांनी सर्व मोठमोठ्या पोस्ट दिल्या, नोकऱ्या दिल्या, तरी तुम्हाला त्यांना इंडियातून बाहेर काढावं वाटेल का? तरी तुम्हाला वाटेल का की त्याचं इथे राहणं हे तुमच्यासाठी धोकादायक आहे? या पद्धतीनं गांधीजी त्यांच्या फॉलोअरला क्वेश्चन विचारत आहेत. रीडर मीन्स गांधीजीज फॉलोअर्स, दॅट क्वेश्चन इज युजलेस. व्हॉट दे थिंक, तो प्रश्न हा निरर्थक आहे, कारण आपण तसा विचार करून चालत नाही. ते तसे वागतील का? नाहीत वागणार. सो Gandhiji's followers said that question is useless. It is similar to the question whether there is any harm in associating with a tiger if it changes his nature. So they give a response to Gandhiji. Replied, काय म्हणत आहेत गांधीजींना, की तुम्ही उगाच काही प्रश्न विचारू नका. हे तुम्ही असं विचारता जसं वाघासोबत राहायला काय हरकत आहे, तो आपल्याला काही करणार नाही, असं म्हणून चालेल का? नाही. इट इज सिमिलर टू द क्वेश्चन वेदर देर इज एनी हार्म इन असोसिएटिंग विथ अ टायगर, वाघ. इफ इट चेंजेस हिज नेचर, हू, वाघ कधी त्याचा स्वभाव बदलत असतो का? नाही. सच अ क्वेश्चन इज सीर वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. व्हॉट दे आर सेइंग, असा प्रश्न करणं हा म्हणजे एक वेळ घालवपणाचं लक्षण आहे. When a tiger changes his nature, Englishmen will change theirs. This is not possible, and so believe it to be possible is contrary to human experience. आपल्या अनुभवाला न पटण्यासारखं आहे, न जमण्यासारखं आहे की ब्रिटिश लोक त्यांचा स्वभाव बदलतील, आपल्याशी योग्य वागतील. अशा पद्धतीने गांधीजींच्या प्रश्नाला या ब्रिटिश लोकांनी त्यांच्या फॉलोअरनी उत्तर दिलं. सी पुन्हा गांधीजी काय म्हणतात, सपोज वी गेट सेल्फ गव्हर्नमेंट सिमिलर टू व्हॉट द कंडिशन्स and the South Africans have. Suppose we get self-government similar to what the Canadians and the South Africans have. Will it be good enough? See, in those days, South Africa and Canada got their freedom. But after the freedom also, there are so many problems. So many common peoples are suffering. The exploitation of them is continued as earlier. So in that way, Mahatma Gandhi is asking, saying that if you got such kind of self-government, then what is the use of that self-government? Will it be good enough? In that way, he is telling to his follower. Again, follower said, that question is also useless according to his follower. तो प्रश्न सुद्धा काय आहे, निरर्थक आहे. आपल्याला भेटलं का आपलं गव्हर्नमेंट? नाही. आपण स्वराज्य नाही मिळालं, आपण स्वतः राज्य करत नाही, मग त्याच्यावर विचार करणं चुकीचं आहे असं सर्व म्हणायला लागले. सी दॅट क्वेश्चन इज युजलेस. वी मे गेट इट when we have arms and ammunition even as they have. See, we have arms and ammunition even as they have. आपल्याकडे आपलं सैन्यबळ असेल, आपले शस्त्रसाठा असेल. We may get it when we have arms and ammunition even as they have. कोणाला आहे? Canadians and South Africans have that. But when we have the same powers, आपल्यावर जर असेच राज्यकर्ते असतील, we shall hoist our own flag. We shall hoist our own flag. की आपण आपला फ्लॅग फडकवू, झेंडा फडकवू. as is जपान, की जसा जपान फडकवताय, so must India be. इंडिया ही तसाच असेल. we must own our navy, our army, and we must have our own splendor, and then will India's voice ring through the world. See, what is the ideology, what is the, we can say, vision of all the common people in India before the India's independence? What they want? They want their own flags to hoist. What they want? They want their country to be free from the rule of Britishers. Like Japan. Japan has their own flag. They are hosting it. And in that way, Indian also want. Indian want their own navy, their own army, and they also want their own splendor. त्यांचं एक स्वतःचं भव्य असं आपण काय म्हणू त्याला, स्प्लेंडर म्हणजे नावलौकिकपणा असला पाहिजे. अँड देन विल इंडियाज व्हॉइस रिंग थ्रू द वर्ल्ड. आणि निश्चितच मग इंडियाचा आवाज जगामध्ये घुमेल. अशा पद्धतीनं गांधीजींच्या प्रश्नाला त्यांची फॉलोअर उत्तर देत आहेत. पुन्हा गांधीजी त्यांना प्रश्न विचारतो, यू हॅव ड्रॉन द पिक्चर वेल. means you have a vision of your country in your mind, so you have draw that picture. How will be your country in future? In effect, it means this, that we want English rule without English. See what kind of a question is there. What Gandhiji is saying to his follower, तुमच्या डोक्यात भारत कसा असेल हे पिक्चर, हे चित्र तयार आहे, पण याचा अर्थ काय? काय तर तुम्हाला काय पाहिजेत इंग्लिश रूल पाहिजेत आणि इंग्लिश माणसं नको आहेत म्हणजे जे काय ब्रिटिशांनी इथे पेरलेलं आहे ते तुम्हाला तसंच ठेवायचं फक्त ब्रिटिश माणसं नको in that we want English rule without English man. See, you want the tiger's nature कोणाचं नेचर वाघाचं but not the tiger. See what kind of a question. You want the tiger's nature but not the tiger. That is to say, you would make India English, and when it becomes English, it will be called not Hindustan but Englistan. This is not Swaraj that I want. Gandhiji have explained his own vision. Gandhiji said that we want India free from Britishers, but we don't want India free from the British ideology. One thing. Gandhiji said that we don't want tiger to prove that he has given an example. We don't want tiger, but we want a nature of tiger. And what it means? It means that India will become English. And then when India will become English, we would have to call it Englistan, not Hindustan. Isn't it? And this is not a Swaraj, according to M.K. Gandhi. Again, reader means Gandhiji's follower are saying, I have placed before you my idea of Swaraj as I think it should be. All his followers are saying, we have presented our ideas of Swaraj. What is a Swaraj? We have presented to you. If the education we have received be of any use, if the works of Spencer, Mill and others be of any importance, and if the English Parliament be the mother of parliaments, I certainly think that we should copy the English people, and this to such an extent that just as they do not allow others to obtain a footing in their country, so we should not allow them or others to obtain it in ours. What they have done in their own country has not been done in any other country. It is therefore proper for us to import their institutions. But now I want to know your views. See, Gandhiji's followers said that I have my own picture of Indian freedom, India's Swaraj, and that's why I have presented my picture to you. Again he said, what he said, if the education we have received be of any use, if the works of Spencer, Mill and others be of any importance, and if the English Parliament be the mother of parliaments, I certainly think that we should copy the English people, and this to such an extent that just as they do not allow others to obtain a footing in their country, so we should not allow them or others to obtain it in ours. See, did you get the meaning? What Gandhiji's follower is saying? He is saying that this is my idea, but still I think we have an education from Britishers, isn't it? We have learned the poems of Spencer. We have learned the theory of John Stuart Mill, isn't it? And in this system, educational system, we think We think these things are too much importance. We also see if but the English Parliament, we have an English Parliament, and if we continue it, what will happen? It will become a mother of parliaments, India's parliament. And if we have a same system in future, then who? That follower of Gandhiji is saying that I have, what we can say, I have confidence that we should copy English people as we are living before, isn't it? And this to such an extent means एवढा आपण त्यांच्या आहारी जाऊ, आपण त्यांनाच जशास तसं फॉलो करत आहोत. आणि जर तसं केलं तर तो एवढ्या प्रमाणात होईल की जस्ट ॲज दे डू नॉट अलो अदर्स टू ऑब्टेन अ फुटिंग इन देअर कंट्री. म्हणजे जसे की त्यांनी या एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम मध्ये, या न्यायालय सिस्टीम मध्ये, या सर्व गोष्टींमध्ये दुसऱ्यांचं थोडंही इंटरफिअर होऊ दिलेलं नाही, तसंच आपण करू. आणि त्यांचं चालून आपल्या याच्यात इतरांना थोडंही इंटरफिअर करू देणार नाही. सो वी शुड नॉट अलो परवानगी देणे, देम म्हणजे ब्रिटिशर्स ऑर अदर्स टू ऑब्टेन इट इन अवर्स. व्हॉट दे हॅव done in their own country has not been done in any other country. त्यांनी त्यांच्या देशात जे केलेलं आहे ते मात्र त्यांनी दुसऱ्या देशात कधीही केलेलं नाही. इट इज, आणि त्यामुळे प्रॉपर फॉर अस टू इम्पोर्ट देअर इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स, त्याच्यामुळे त्यांचं इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आपण अंगीकारणं आपल्यासाठी योग्य आहे असं त्यांचा फॉलोअर म्हणतो, गांधीजींचा. बट नाऊ आय वॉन्ट टू नो युअर व्ह्यूज. पण तुम्हाला काय याच्यावर म्हणायचं हे आम्हाला तुम्ही एक्सप्लेन करा, असं तो फॉलोअर विचारतो. देर इज नीड फॉर पेशन्स. व्हॉट गांधीजी इज सेइंग, वी हॅव टू वेट फॉर सम डेज. देर इज अ नीड फॉर पेशन्स. माय व्ह्यूज विल डेव्हलप of themselves in the course of this discourse. My views will develop of themselves. Themselves means भावना, विचार, त्यांचे विचार. in the course of this discourse, या काळात सगळे विचार माझे क्लिअर होतील, माझा ध्येय क्लिअर होईल, काय करायचं इंडियाचं. इट इज ॲज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टँड द ट्रू नेचर ऑफ स्वराज ॲज इट सीम्स टू यू टू बी इझी. काय म्हणतात गांधीजी की माझ्यासाठी स्वराज हे स्वराजचं स्वरूप बघणं खूप अवघड झालेलं आहे. जसं तुम्हाला सहज एवढं शक्य वाटत आहे तेवढं नाही. तुम्हाला स्वराज म्हणजे एवढं जे सोपं वाटत आहे तेवढं सोपं नसणार आहे, असे गांधीजी म्हणतात. काय म्हणतात ते, आफ्टर इंडियाज इंडिपेंडन्स ऑल्सो, भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळाल्यानंतर, स्वराज्य मिळाल्यानंतर सुद्धा काय होणार आहे, अशाच प्रकारची सामान्य माणसांची जर पिळवणूक होत चाललेली असेल तर त्याला काही अर्थ नाही. आणि म्हणून ते म्हणतात मला काही ते योग्य वाटत नाही. इट इज ॲज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टँड द ट्रू नेचर ऑफ स्वराज ॲज इट सीम्स टू यू टू बी इझी. आय शाल देअरफॉर फॉर द टाइम बिंग content myself with endeavoring to show that what you call Swaraj is not truly Swaraj. काय म्हणतात शेवटी की मी आता इथेच थोडं शांत म्हणजे समाधानी आहो की जे आपण एवढ्यात चर्चा केली, डिस्कशन केलं, याच्यातून माझ्या लक्षात आलं की तुमचं स्वराजचं जे स्वप्न आहे ते मात्र काही खरं स्वराज भारतासाठी नसणार आहे. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ दिस शॉर्ट essay written by M.K. Gandhi. So there are a few questions, 4-5 questions, multiple choice questions that I would like to ask you. See, choose the correct answer from the options given below. What is the first question? In this dialogue the reader represents. Who are the reader? Mahatma Gandhi आहेत, द इंडियन फ्रीडम फायटर आहेत, द पर्सन रिडिंग द डायलॉग आहे, द ब्रिटिश आहे. नो, बी इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. द इंडियन फ्रीडम फायटर मीन्स गांधीजीज फॉलोअर्स. See the second question. According to many in India, Swaraj meant to drive the British out of India. 1. To have one's own army and navy. Second, to get rid of slavery. Third, to vote for one's leader. No, to have one's own army and navy is Swaraj. Or to drive the British out of India is the Swaraj. So the first one is the correct answer of this second question. See, third question. According to the reader, self-governance along the Canadian or South African model is the ideal to aim for, can only be seized by force, would be impossible to achieve. The second B is the answer, can only be seized by force. See the fourth question. Why does the reader want to drive away the English? ब्रिटिशांना भारतीयांना का काढून द्यावं वाटत होतं? Because the English were inefficient rulers. Because a nation should be ruled by its own people. Because Indians were being kept in a state of slavery. Because the English were against religious freedom. So the B is the answer. Because a nation should be ruled by its own people. Last question. In this dialogue, the tiger represent the British, the Indians, the reader, the editor. So the British represented the tiger in this lesson. Thank you. Have a good day. Study well. Be prepared for the exam. Bye bye.